Hey guys, it's Disney Drachi, and today is the annual Passholder Vinylmation Walt Disney World exclusive Vinylmation, and this is kind of an old vinyl, but I realized I never had it, and it is for annual pass holders only. Number 2, 3-inch collectible figures. So the first one is Mr. Toad from Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Like a nice brick tin, brick looking tin, and then we have a door that looks like Mickey, and even a lock that has Mickey on it. So on the top it says Vinylmation, and it was $16.95. So it's a nice tin. Try to open this. And I also don't want to destroy the paint on this too. Okay, let's pop this open. And the orange bird, now in Vinylmation. That just explains what Vinylmation is. It is actually celebrating its 5th anniversary this year. We have the orange bird card. Artist Monty Maldovan. Vinylmation Art of Disney. And this is actually the old Vinylmation foil that said no refunds, no exchanges, no returns. Now it just says Vinylmation, Vinylmation, Vinylmation. Let's open this. I actually missed this kind of bag. It has a little seal on it and everything. Then it was hard to open too. This is a really cute Vinylmation. It's the orange bird. And the orange bird, it was a character of the 1970s in Florida. And he was a character in Disney World. He's actually been brought back to the Sunshine Tree Terrace. So it's a really cute vinyl, and some of you might notice that I actually do have the cast chaser for this from the Florida project, a Vinylmation trading event. So let's put him back in. It's a nice bright orange too. And remember when vinyls used to come in a tin? So I mean, this is kind of old, but they still have it at D Street, which is the Disney Vinylmation store at the downtown Disney area in the Walt Disney World Resort. I'll just find that sticker on the other side. Don't know. It's not in here, but it's on the west side, and it has a bountiful amount of Vinylmations. So thank you for watching the annual pass holder number 2 Vinylmation exclusive tin, and be sure to subscribe, rate, favorite, like, and comment on this video. Have a magical day. Bye.